Are you looking for the best beard trimmers for men? Beard trimming has evolved from a simple grooming task to a precision maintenance routine that can define a man's personal style. The right trimmer delivers skin-friendly blades, precise length control, battery longevity, and build quality that survives daily use, wet, dry environments, and travel. In this comparison, I evaluated 5 popular beard trimmers across price, feature sets, and real-world performance to help consumers choose the right tool for their needs.
Product number 1. Norelco Philips All-in-One 3000 Series. Overview. This budget-friendly 13-in-1 trimmer targets versatile grooming at an accessible price. It features skin-friendly comfort blades with rounded tips, 9 length settings from 0.5mm to 16mm, and a self-sharpening blade system that claims maintenance-free performance. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfortable control, and the unit is rinsable for easy cleaning. A USB-A charging cable powers up to 60 minutes of runtime, though it ships without a Wahl adapter. Deeper analysis. The MG391950 excels in value, offering broad versatility for beard, head, nose, and ear hair with a single device. The self-sharpening blades are a strong selling point for low-maintenance users, and the 60-minute runtime is competitive in this price tier. However, the lack of a Wahl charger may complicate charging in travel scenarios, and being entry-level, the motor is not designed for heavy, thick facial hair daily use over long sessions. Weight at 11.2 ounces makes it comfortable for extended trims, though the absence of oiling means users should avoid aggressive usage that could wear the blades faster if not careful.
Product number 2. Philips Norelco Multi-Groom Series Overview. The MG5910/49 is a comprehensive 18-piece all-in-one grooming system designed for beard, body, hair, and facial detailing. It uses titanium-coated self-sharpening blades and a robust lithium-ion battery, offering up to 3 hours of runtime. It includes an extra-wide body trimmer and a range of guards, 3 to 7mm, plus various guards for body hair. The set is designed for easy cleaning with rinsable attachments, and guards resist bending. Deeper analysis. This model stands out for long-run durability and modular versatility. The long runtime and many attachments make it ideal for someone who wants a single device for full-body grooming without oiling blades. Its broad array of guards supports precise beard lengths and body trimming, making it a strong all-in-one option. On the downside, the sheer number of attachments can be overwhelming for casual users, and some may prefer a simpler setup with fewer components to manage during travel.
Product number 3. Philips Norelco All-in-One 3000 Series Overview. A close relative to the MG3919-50, the MG3939-50 emphasizes full metal self-sharpening blades with 13 pieces and 8 length settings, 0.5mm to 16mm. It adds a detail trimmer blade for precision work. The design prioritizes an ergonomic grip, rinsability, and a 60-minute runtime with a USB-A charger, no Wahl adapter. Deeper analysis. The MG3939-50's all-metal blades promise durability and consistent cutting performance, particularly for users who value a longer-lasting edge and finer detailing through the dedicated detail trimmer. It's well-suited for users who want a compact kit that remains effective across beard and head trimming. Limitations include the same charging setup as the MG3919-50, USB-A only, no Wahl adapter, and slightly fewer length options than some multi-attachment sets, which could constrain certain styling preferences.
Product number 4. Manscaped Beard Hedger. Overview. The Beard Hedger Premium is a premium cordless trimmer with a 20-position length adjustment wheel, 0.5mm increments up to 10mm, a 41mm titanium-coated T-blade, and IPX7 waterproofing for wet-dry use. It runs on a cordless DC motor with a claimed 60 minutes of runtime and ships with a travel case, USB-C charging, and an AC adapter. This model emphasizes ease of use, precision, and durability in a compact form factor. Deeper analysis. The 20-length wheel eliminates the need for multiple attachments, simplifying the user experience while enabling precise, repeatable lengths. The IPX7 rating and waterproof design are strong assets for daily shaving routines in the shower. The 41mm titanium T-blade is robust for thick facial hair, and the 7200 RPM motor promises solid cutting performance. Potential drawbacks include a premium price and possibly overkill for those who only need basic beard trimming or occasional trimming of body hair.
Product number 5. SPHAVAR Beard Trimmer for Men. Overview. SPHAVAR's GK1800 is a 12-in-1 cordless grooming kit featuring 6 trimmer heads, 4 guide combs, 3, 6, 9, and 12 millimeters, and an adjustable sideburn comb. It emphasizes versatility for beard, mustache, nose hair, and body grooming with IPX6 waterproofing, USB-C charging, and a 90-minute charging time. The LED power indicator and safety lock feature enhance travel practicality. Deeper analysis. This kit is tailored for users who want a budget-friendly, all-in-one solution with a decent variety of attachments and body grooming capabilities. The inclusion of a nose or ear trimmer and sideburn tool adds real-world usefulness for consistent grooming routines. The 90-minute charging time is relatively long, and while IPX6 provides water resistance, it's not as robust as IPX7 rated devices in showers or heavy wet use scenarios.